Hi everybody, it's the Cat and Dog. Every day's a holiday show. Yay! Hey Cat.
Hi Doug.
Hey, it looks like you have a present to open today.
Yeah, and pretty purple paper too.
Ooh, wow, that's cool.
And look at that. Cool ribbon. I love opening presents.
Yeah, I know.
I wonder what's inside.
Yeah, me too.
Should I do it slowly?
No, rip it. Rip it.
Ooh, I love Play-Doh. Bunny and Chick stampers. Filled with Play-Doh compound, great basket stuffers. Treat without the sweet.
Well, let me see. Show me. Wow, that's cool. All right.
I'm gonna open it up.
I think you need to pull it hard.
Yeah. There's a bunny and a little chick. They're so cute. I can't wait to get at it. And it's all wrapped in here pretty tight.
Just rip it open. Hard, you can do it.
There it is. Now it's gonna pop the bunny. There's the bunny.
Show me when you take them out. Show me.
Okay. And there is the chick and the bunny. It's all wrapped so tight so the Play-Doh stays nice and fresh, I bet. It's hard to open it. Let me try this one first. Maybe this one might be easier. There we go. There it is. It's yellow. It's so Eastery looking. Yellow Play-Doh. You think there's a surprise inside of it?
I don't know.
Let's see. Ooh, I love Play-Doh. I love Play-Doh. There's not a surprise, but you know what there is?
What?
This is cool. You can make little stamps out of, it's a little chick. It's a little chick. So you can make stamp things out of it, the feet, and it looks like a chick. Can you see that, Doug?
No, show me.
You can see that right there.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can make a little egg, and there's little patterns even on here. You can do little stamps. You can make little stamp patterns. I wonder what's inside the bunny one.
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see if I can get this one open.
That's a hard one to open.
I know. Okay. I'm trying, Doug. And this one has a little carrot at the bottom too. I can't wait to try this one if I could ever get it open.
Okay.
Okay, finally.
Okay, let's see the color Play-Doh that one has.
What do you think it is?
Pink?
I'm gonna guess blue.
Okay.
Oh,
Yay.
it's purple. Purple's my favorite color. What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Okay, let's open this one up. And I can make some stamps with this one too. I never get tired of Play-Doh.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. This one I'm gonna make a little flat little pancake, and I'm gonna make a stamp. It's a carrot.
Oh, cool. Why don't you pull it out so then?
Like an actual little carrot. There it is. Or you know what you can do? You can take this one and make different stamps. So I can stamp a carrot, a yellow carrot. You don't just have to do the one you have.
Uh-huh.
You can get other ones.
That's cool.
That was fun.
Yeah. All right, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.